Welcome back. Well, today we've got beef stroganoff. Don't say, yeah, everybody does beef stroganoff. Well, they freaking don't. Today's recipe is from my son, Joseph, an absolutely fantastic cook. I had this at his place not long ago and it was absolutely beautiful. I asked him for the recipe and he gave it to me. Today, I'm gonna share it with you. Today, we're cooking and drinking a little bit of my friend Louis Fuller's Shiraz. It's called Just Louis 2020 Shiraz, absolutely beautiful. Go to justlouiswines.com, justlouiswines.com and get yourself some. If you haven't got it in your restaurant, you're missing out. And so are your customers. All right, salute then. Oh, yeah, good on you, Luigi. First off, cut yourself some beef up. I'm using porterhouse today, 2 steaks around about 300 gram each, but you can use any cuts of meat, but today I'm using porterhouse. Cut in good sized chunks because I'm going to use it in the slow cooker today, but if you're not and you're going to cook it straight through, you want to cook it in a hurry, just cut the pieces up smaller. Then you go with a good splash of olive oil, then our meat, and you're going to brown it on both sides. Throw in a couple of cloves of garlic and a good splash of salt. Now while your meat's browning, cut yourself up an onion. So what you're going to do now is remove the meat and throw in the onion. Time to add a couple of tablespoons of tomato paste. Now add a half cup of plain flour and give it a good stir. Add a cup and a half of dry red wine. Now reduce this down, it's going to take a few minutes. Time to add a cup of beef stock. Give it a good stir. Then I'll put in a cinnamon stick and a few sprigs of thyme. Now put in 2 cups of mushrooms, chopped up mushrooms. Return your meat to the mix and give it a good stir. Time to cover it up. Now I'm going to cook it for an hour and a half roughly in this slow cooker, but if you've cut your meat up small, just keep it cooking. Time to prepare the pasta or the veggies or the rice, whatever you want to put with it. Today I'm using pasta, which is unusual. It's around about this time that I pull out the cinnamon stick, and I'm going to add about a cupful of sour cream. Look at this. Look at that. Absolutely, mate, the smell is absolutely sensational. Oh, look at this. Look at this, look at this. Give it a good mixing. So what I'm going to do now is just drop in a dash of butter. Give that a mix around. Get that all happening. Grab our pasta off. Look at this, look at this. And add that to the butter. Now, let's add some of this amazing sauce. Absolutely amazing sauce. Look at this, look. Look at that. Mix it in well. Flip it. Look, it smells great. So how's that? Easy. Absolutely easy. Come on. And now I'm going to get to taste it. I'm impressed again. Thanks, son. That's sensational. Nothing less. And look at this. Geez, this wine, Luigi, this wine evaporates really quick. I love you all. Subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Salute!